Hello, good afternoon and welcome to the CWM FX Market Report, coming to you directly from the Heron Tower, 36th floor, today the 25th of September 2014. So we're going to be focusing on late European session and also early into the US session as well for today's report. Now we're going to be focusing on the euro dollar as it's continued to touch its two-yearly lows. Now the reason being is that the ECB President Mario Draghi has announced that he will be achieving to allocate more stimulus to his program. He also mentioned in his speech earlier this week that he'll continue to use unconventional methods within his mandate in order to address the risks of low inflation within the Eurozone. Off the back of this, we have seen the euro touch a level of 1.27. Now this is a level that hasn't been hit since November 2012. Some key levels of support and resistance to note down. Support level, we're looking at a potential of 1.2864 and for a potential support level 1.2660. Now heading over to the US session, we've just seen the durable goods orders come out and they have come out slightly worse than expected. However, the key mover for the US session was always going to be the initial jobless claims, and that has come out much better than expected. Now for you, the trader, that means that less people are claiming state unemployment. So off the back of this, we've seen the US dollar Japanese yen continue to trade at its 4-yearly highs. Now the biggest mover of the week is going to be tomorrow, so take a pen and paper and jot down the time and these figures. It is going to be the US GDP annualized figure year on year. The previous figure was 0.21%, and that's a negative 0.21%. The key figure to look out for is the consensus, which is a positive 4%, so a growth from year on year. Now that figure comes out at 1:30 UK time. So the key assets to focus on for today is the euro dollar, the US dollar Japanese yen, and it's focused on some US indices as well for the late trade in the US session. Most importantly, read the full reports, contact your account manager at CWMFX, and always trade smarter. Have a great week.